Welcome back to CNC Training BD. Today I'll show how to make this simple 2D design for the beginner. See, here is all inches diameter, dimension all are inches. See, first of all, two center circle, start from origin, and here two circle. Here is 1.75 inch and inner one 1.13 inch, and here outer diameter 1.63 inch and inner one 0.75 inches. And here is state slot, two state slot, outer slot radius 0.75 and inner one 0.44. Here is origin to slot distance 3.49 inches and slot length 1 inches. See, and here is 3-point arc slot. It's created 40-degree angle. Here also two slot, outer slot radius 0.88 and inner one 0.44. Okay, here radius 0.6 and here distance 0.75. Okay, let's try to make this. First of all, I choose front plane and sketch, and make sure see here bottom mmgs, that means is millimeter, but I need inches, so click mmgs. Here is a so many option, mks kilometer kilogram second, cgs centimeter gram second, mmgs millimeter gram second, but I need to ips inches pound second, so click this option and make again. See, first of all I choose center line. Make sure it's click this construction line, control key, and this point make relation coincident. Okay, make sure its line is horizontal. See, now it's horizontal. Now I choose the center of circle, center of start from origin 1 and 2 circle. Okay, make the define smart dimension, and here is outer diameter 1.75 inches. Okay, and inner one 1.13 inches. See, okay, now choose the slot, click this slot option, and I choose the straight slot. See, click here to here one, need to two slot, and here. Okay, give the define, make smart dimension. So smart dimension, first slot length here to here 1 inches. See, 1 inches, and slot outer radius 0.75 inches. Okay, and inner one 0.44 inches. Okay, now start slot point to origin point, make distance 0.349, sorry, 3.49. Okay, now I choose the circle. See, 1 and 2 circle. Okay, and give the define. First give the dimension. Outer diameter here 1.63 inches. Okay, and inner one 0.75 inches. Okay, now give the horizontal distance. uh, See, yeah, horizontal distance 0.75 inches. Okay, and make the vertical distance. Click this point to center line. Make distance 1.88 inches. Okay, see, now I choose the center line. Click this line and option here center line, and make start from this origin here, and here also selected, and make its define angle. Assign angle for 40 degrees. Okay, see, now I choose 3 point slot. Okay, click this and start from here to here and here. Okay, and also 2 slot and same. Okay, now give define. So a smart dimension, and here outer one radius 0.88 inches. See, and inner one 0.44 inches. Okay, see, let's try to define. Now give the see, give the length. See, and start from this point to here, and distance 5.84 inches. Okay, see, now click this point to center, make relation coincident. See, now it's coincident. Okay, it's automatically coincident. Now click this center arc and hold control key, this outer circle, make relation concentric. See, now it's concentric. Okay, now I choose circle. See, 1, 2. Okay, need to circle. Okay, and give define. Click the circle and hold control key, this outer diameter, make relation transient. See, now it's transient, and same to another one. make relation tangent. Okay. And also here click this circle to arc, make relation tangent, and like this. See, now it is tangent relation. After that I choose arc option and here 3 point arc. Okay, and start from here to here down this position, and now click this arc and hold Ctrl key and this arc, make relation tangent. Okay, it's tangent. And same another one, click the arc, Ctrl key, circle, make relation tangent. See, now it's tangent. Now I cut this extra portion. First of all, I choose trim, and here is power, and click the mouse left key and drag the bottom side here. Now it's cut it, and also another. Okay, here I cut it the upper portion, and here is, see, now it is cut it. Let's define. First, I choose smart dimension, click arc. Here radius 1.75 inches. Okay, and also this, here radius 0.63 inches. Okay, here is showing extra line, so I just choose trim and here power trim and drag to cut this extra portion. Okay, now I choose the line, see, and start from here to here. Okay, first of all I click this line, control arc, make relation tangent. See, now it's tangent. Cut the extra portion. See, it's cut it. Now uh, near the arc, see, so the 3 point arc, and start from this line. uh, okay, and need to bigger. Okay, now this line to arc must be its tangent relation. See, now it's tangent. Okay, I sense I just mistake, so again, here is arc connected, this arc to line. See, now cut out this relation. See, delete. Okay, now uh, click this point, control this point, make relation coincident. See, now it's coincident, and click this point, make relation tangent. See, now it's tangent relation. Okay, okay, now defined. First of all, click this arc and hold control key this circle and make relation concentric. See, now it's concentric. Let's dimension. So smart dimension, and here 1.338 1.38 inches. Okay. So here is the last, but our drawing, see, here is no mention is any dimension for arc. See, let's define. Our design is not defined, still undefined. See, first of all, oh, now I cut this inner, see, portion. First of all, I choose trim, and here power trim, and cut it. Okay, now it is cut it. And after I cut this inner portion, our design is underdefined. So let's define. First of all, choose the arc control, outer arc, make relation concentric. Okay, here tangent relation. Click this point, control this center line, make sure it's coincident. Now it's coincident, and also on. Click this point, this line, make relation coincident. See, now it is coincident. Now click this slot point, hold control key and this point. Make relation vertical. See, now our design is completely ready. See, now our design is fully defined. If you want, you can make this, it's 3D, but no need now, because I just make a video for the beginner. uh, I make the video step by step. When your skill is developed, then I will show 3D video. But most important is that 2D video is the very important, because uh, till then you cannot proper designer if you cannot make 2D design. See, so thanks for watching. Thank you.